In this video, I'm going to show you 2 places online to get unlimited free beautiful images
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
that you can then use in your social updates or contests. So the first one is Pixabay, and it's free, you see free stock photos and even videos, but in our case, we need photos now. And all you have to do is just search for, like, let's say you want some topic, flowers, or something, and you get all these amazing endless flower photos that you can use. They're all striking and beautiful and really pretty, and you can use them in your posts. Now, most people know about Google Images. The problem with Google Images that people don't realize is that not all images in Google Images can be legally used in for-profit situations. Let me show you. When I search for advanced Google image search, this comes up, Google/advanced_image_search. And what's going to be interesting here is that what you want to use is not all images. You see usage rights right here. And you want to pick free to use or share, even commercially. And in your case, even just be on the safe side, free to use, share, or modify, because you will be modifying, because you may be adding overlay text onto the image. So you want to use this option, and then you want to search for your keywords. So let's say flowers. And so when we search, these we know are going to be safe. But if you had used the regular image search, which is basically images.google.com, that gives you a lot of other images, and you can get in trouble because some of those images have restricted copyrights that people can come after you legally, and they'll be correct because you didn't do your due diligence. So please use either advanced Google image search or Pixabay to ensure that you have full rights to your images. And of course, if you want to splurge, there are paid sites which give you stock photos, but in this case, I'm just giving you the free options to get unlimited beautiful photos.